Hi, my name is Jesús Prieto. I am talking about the invention that revolutionized the industry and the life of everyone. This invention is the air conditioning by Carrier. On July 17, 1902, Wills Haviland Carrier designed the first air conditioning system. Launching on an industrial sector that was to radically improve the way we live, work, and act. Originally developed to solve humidity problems affecting a company in Brooklyn, New York. Carrier, thinking about how to solve the humidity problems for the printing company, was on a platform of a train station in Pittsburgh. On a foggy day, Carrier was trying to look through the mist when he realized that you could dry the air by passing it through the water to create fog. Within a year, he had completed his invention and succeeded in controlling the humidity. For Carrier, thanks to his invention, Carrier changed his life and that of the whole world, as he created the modern air conditioner for homes and places where people spend most of their time or time. Create his company Carrier that drove the new possibilities and currently holds business with hundreds of companies worldwide. Thank you.